Hello, welcome to the Aspireacademy. I am Sidhartha. I am your physics teacher. Today I am going to discuss about class 12 physics chapter number 2. So in this chapter we have to discuss about what? Electric potential and capacitance. So in our last class, electric charges and electric field, we have discussed about lot of derivations about electric charge and electric field like that, and Gauss's theorem, applications of Gauss's theorem. In this chapter, we are detailed study about potential difference, electric potential about the any point in a equatorial point, any point like that, or about its capacitance. And explanation about capacitance. There are two types of capacitance: spherical capacitance and parallel plate capacitance. So series and parallel connection of the series and parallel capacitance. Okay. So today I am going to discuss about what? Chapter number what? Chapter number 2, electric potential. Chapter number 2, electric potential and capacitance. So what is electric potential first? What is electric potential? So first of all, before we going to start about, first of all, what is potential difference? So first of all, potential difference what? So potential, suppose it is a one positive charge, Q charge. This is in our source charge. This is we can call as source charge. Source charge. Okay. So here electric, it is a charge. So electric field in that direction. Electric lines of force will be in that direction. We already know that electric field lines are from coming out from the positive. So now here positive Q charge, here we can consider 2 points here, suppose A point and another one is called B point here. So now our aim is to what? Another point charge, Q naught charge, positive charge, this is called take charge are placed here. So now our aim is to what? First of all, we have to what is called electric potential. So now this is a positive charge, source charge, and this is take charge, Q naught is here, positive charge. Now this charge we have to bringing from A to B. Okay, A to B. What amount of distance? dr distance we are taking place. dr distance in the place of dr distance. So here, so how we can calculate the potential difference first? So first of all, আমি কেনেকৈ এটা potential difference calculate কৰিম? So first of all, what is potential difference? It is the amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another against the electrostatic force is called potential difference. So it is the amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another against the electrostatic force. This is called potential difference. So now here we have to consider, suppose we can consider potential difference here. VA is equal to what? V. In here, potential difference is equal to VV. Now potential difference we can call as potential difference is equal to what? We can call as potential difference V. Potential difference means difference. Okay, V is equal to what? VB minus VA. So this is the difference. So now VB minus VA, here the potential is different, here is another potential difference. Now what is potential difference? So what is first potential difference? Potential difference is amount of work done to bringing unit positive charge from one point to another against the electrostatic force. মানে এটা particular charge, point charge এটা point পৰা আনটা point যিমান work done লাগিব against this electrostatic force মানে কি? This is positive charge, this is positive charge. Positive মানে কি হয়? Repulsion হ'ব. Repulsion হলে কি হ'ল? Repulsion হোৱাৰ পাছতো যদি আমি তাক সেই চাৰ্জৰ পজিটিভ চাৰ্জৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহোঁ, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? এগেইনষ্ট দ্য ফ'ৰ্চটো এফালে হৈছে, পজিটিভ আৰু পজিটিভ চাৰ্জ ৰিপালচন হৈছে, এগেইনষ্ট দ্য ফ'ৰ্চ যদি আমি আনো তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? এগেইনষ্ট দ্য ফ'ৰ্চ ৱৰ্ক ডান হ'ব. চ' দিছ ৱৰ্ক ডান ইজ কল্ড potential difference. আকৌ কৈছোঁ, it is amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another against the electrostatic force. This is called potential difference. Now this is called WA to B যদি আনো WAB divided by Q naught. So this is the general formula for potential. So now SI unit, what is the SI unit? SI unit of potential difference what? Work done means joule and charge means coulomb. So joule per coulomb is called as volt. V. Joule per coulomb is called as volt. So this is the definition of potential difference. Ako ebar koisu what is potential difference? Yet bohutor digdari hoy potential difference or mane ki potential difference dhoribo digdar hoy. Potential difference mane ami jitu circuit or jitu battery lagao. Okay, so potential difference mane circuit or jodi current flow hoy, current flow hoar loge loge potential difference generate hobo. Mane keneke ki hoy? Mane ki hoy? Whenever eta positive charge eta positive charge loisu, eta positive charge loisu, eta ki repulsion hobo. So force to kundu direction hobo? Etu direction force hobo. So amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another. Suppose gute to yar pa work done W, yar pa work done dW. Suppose work done, amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another against this electrostatic force, this is called potential difference. Okay, so potential difference formula is equal to what? V is equal to W by Q naught. So W we know that W SI unit is joule, charge is called coulomb, joule per coulomb is the called potential difference SI unit, or it is collectively known as volt. Ami pai asu 2 volt 3 volt paone battery 2 volt ki 3 volt ki, so this is called volt or this is called potential difference. Okay, it is a potential difference main theory to main conception to. Okay, next is what? Next one is called electric potential. Similarly, what is electric potential? Now another one is called electric potential. So electric potential to ki hoy? What is electric? Same. Electric potential difference to ki? Suppose at a positive charge, this is called source charge. আৰু এটা কি হৈছে চার্জ আমি কোৰ পৰা নিম ইনফিনিটিৰ পৰা যদি এটা চার্জ এটা পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্টত লৈ আহে সাপোজ এই পয়েন্টত এটা কিউ নট চার্জ এটো কি কহব টেষ্ট চার্জ এটা যে লৈ আহো ওকে এই চার্জটো ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালে আৰুতে বি পয়েন্টৰ আনো কি হ'ব ইয়াৰ পটেনশিয়াল ডিফারেন্স VA হ'ব ইয়াৰ পটেনশিয়াল ডিফারেন্স VAB হ'ব Now diagram is same, but agote ami ki potential difference ki koisilo. Now here amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against this electrostatic force, this is called electric potential. So potential difference or electric potential method eta difference the potential difference of work done from one point to another and jitu work done hobo etu je potential against the electrostatic force. Our electric potential is called is the amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Suppose at a particular charge point suppose এটা charge আছে মোৰ ওচৰত এটা charge suppose এটা charge আছে suppose আৰু এটা charge আমি infinity পৰা এটা particular point আনিলো মানে এইটো charge আছে source charge আৰু এটা point আমি ঠিক কৰি থৈছো suppose এটা point ঠিক কৰি থৈছো আমি infinity পৰা ইয়ালে আনোতে যেটো amount of work done লাগিলে this against this electrostatic force of repulsion this is called electric potential মানে electric potential হবলে হলে এটা charge আমি infinity পৰা carry কৰিব লাগিব আৰু potential difference হবলে হলে আমি এটা charge এটা particular point পৰা এটা particular point লৈকে আনিব লাগিব so this is called electric potential ইয়াৰ SI unit volt হয় joule per coulomb so আকৌ কৈছো electric potential means the amount of work done to bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against this electrostatic force this is called electric potential so this is etu is electrostatic potential hetue bujai ase so next one electric potential due to a point charge next topic is called electric potential due to a electric potential due to a point charge suppose electric potential at a particular point charge or kiman hobo ami jano electric potential is equal to what W by Q naught it is a electric potential difference by electric potential formula but electric potential due to point charge ami kene uliam ji general point to garne suppose eta positive charge ami at consider koilu this is positive charge okay সো ইলেক্ট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল হৈছে সো আৰু এটা চাৰ্জ কিউ নট চাৰ্জ এটা আমি ইনফিনিটি পৰা ক্যাৰি কৰিব লাগিব ইনফিনিটি পৰা সাপোজ এট পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্টত আমি কিউ নট চাৰ্জ এটা পজিটিভ কিউ নট চাৰ্জ এটা লৈ আহিলো সো এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্টটো আমি এ বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিলো সো ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিসটেন্সটো আমি কি বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিলো x বুলি কইলো ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিসটেন্সটো আমি x বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিলো ওকে সো another one point we can consider this is a b point কাৰণ work done কৰিব লাগিব b point আৰু another point is called p point এই p পইণ্টত আমি কি উলাব লাগে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক পটেনশিয়াল এই p পইণ্টত আমি কি উলাব লাগে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক পটেনশিয়াল সো ইয়াৰ পইণ্টত তোমাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰলৈকে আনিলে ইয়াৰ তোমাৰ পটেনশিয়াল ডিফাৰেন্স কি হ'ব এইটো পইণ্টত পটেনশিয়াল ডিফাৰেন্স va we consider as v a point of potential difference bahibo ne komibo a point of potential difference because jimane uchor sapi ahibo potential difference bahibo because work done down besi hobo against the electrostatic force besi hobo hobo na hobo so hetu karone ki hobo yar potential difference bahibo kiman bahibo yar pa a to jodi x hoy yar pa yar distance to kiman consider korim dx consider korim so yar potential difference kiman bahibo dv bahibo already so this potential here vb is equal to v plus dv so at point kiman at point a potential difference va is equal to what v at point potential vb potential electric potential is equal to what v plus dv okay so next one there are two charges are placed here with a distance of x দুটা চার্জ আমি প্লেস কৰিছো কিমান ডিসটেন্সত x ডিসটেন্সত প্লেস কৰিছো সো দুটা চার্জ this is positive charge distance is x the force of repulsion is takes place how we can calculate this force of repulsion আমি এই force of repulsion to কেনেকৈ calculate কৰিম with the help of coulomb's law so now according to coulomb's law according to Coulomb's law we know that Coulomb's law is equal to what we have already discussed in the last class 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square this is Coulomb's law electrostatic force of attraction and repulsion so apply here in this formula force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by what distance sorry q naught by x square q naught by q naught by x square so this is equation number 1 so এই বস্তুটো কি হল so ইয়াৰ পজিটিভ চাৰ্জ আছে এটোক আমি কি চাৰ্জ বুলি কম সোর্স চাৰ্জ মনত থবা this is called source charge এই চাৰ্জটোক আমি কি কম টেস্ট চাৰ্জ ইনফিনিটি পৰা work done আহিলে আমাক কত লাগে potential difference a particular p point to potential difference sorry electric potential লাগে so first আমি ইয়া p q not charge এটা particular point ৰাখিলো so ইতে আমি আর q লিয়া দুটা চাৰ্জৰ মাজত সদায় ইলেক্ট্ৰিক potential এটা পজিটিভ চাৰ্জ কি হ'ব force of repulsion produce হ'ব তো repulsive force তো আমি কেনে ক্যালকুলেট কৰিম with the help of Coulomb's law F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 by r square q1 q2 by r square জায়গাত আমি q1 is equal to q q2 is equal to q naught that's why so now our formula to key we know that what we have to calculate potential difference at a particular point p so how we can calculate this potential difference at a electric potential at a particular point p so we know the formula is equal to what v is equal to w by q naught means amak force na lage but amak ki lage the work done lage so first of all work done to bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another point so ami ki korim so work done by a charge q naught from korpa korleke a to b first of a to b leke another work done to ki hobo this is dx amount of work done so work done kiman hobo so work done is what work done is so dw work done is force dot dx so dw is equal to what f dx cos theta so dw is equal to f of dx cos kiman angle 180 degree cos 180 degree because displacement and force or this direction to ulta direction. So f dx cos theta means dw means cos 180 minus, so f of dx, dw is equal to f of dx. Now we have to calculate total work done. Now we have to calculate total work done. So total work done from A to P কাৰণে কি হ'ব dw is equal to কি কৰিব লাগিব ইন্টিগ্ৰেট dw ইন্টিগ্ৰেট কৰিব লাগিব কৰ পৰা ইনফিনিটিৰ পৰা r লৈকে ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিসটেন্স আমি দিয়াই নাই ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিসটেন্স আমি x নহয় r বুলি ধৰিম সৰি ইয়াৰ পৰা ডিসটেন্স টু r ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিসটেন্স টু r r. So here by distance to this r hoy. So here we have to calculate infinity to r because limit is what infinity to r. From infinity to r leke hobo limit lower limit is infinity upper limit r leke jabo. So we know that infinity to r dw means what minus f dx. So here we have to calculate what minus f dx. We are placing value f dx. So suppose it equation number 2 asile using 2 equation 2. Now we have to know minus to bahar ahi jabo infinity to r f or value ki from equation 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square dx. Okay, x square dx. So after that so minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught to by constant ahi jabo. So infinity to r 1 by x square dx to thaki jabo. Okay, so eta ami ekita muhari pele koribo lagibo jega nai. So now gute bostu kita ami konfala nim ইয়াত লৈ যাম সো কি হ'ব এতিয়া next is what minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught infinity to r x to the minus 2 মানে x to the power minus 2 dx. So one formula is there. What is the formula infinity to r? So minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to what x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 infinity to r. Eto integrate hol correct kuntu integration x to the power sorry no eto kamor. So minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 infinity to r. Eto kholaje bujila. So now after that eto kom hai diu etia after that কি আহিব work done is equal to what work done is equal to minus q naught by 4 pi. So minus this minus and this minus is equal plus. So this minus is equal plus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught then x to the power minus mean 1 by x infinity to r. After that you have to place q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught. So upper limit how much 1 by r minus lower limit 1 by infinity. Tar pasote ki jabo tar pasote w is equal to what 1 by infinity means 0. So q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught dot 1 by r. Etu palu ami work done. Okay, now ami etia palu work done. A work done to ke ami ki koribo lagibo first ami janu that v is equal to what w by q naught. We know that v is equal to w by q naught. W to palu. Now we are placing the value of w. So now we can remove this, erase these things, erase this part. Okay, our work done will be what q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught dot 1 by r. So then electric potential will be then electric potential is equal to what v is equal to what w by q naught. So w is equal to what here q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught dot 1 by r. So q divided by q naught. This q naught, this would cancel. So v is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is the electric potential due to a point charge. This is the important thing. So you have to cover it up. So it is very important phenomenon. Mo already diagram to bujai disu. So ekhini bostu integration janibo lagibo. Mo already koisu integration or kotha kini keneke koribo lagibo, keneke proceed koribole tomaloke just copy loi pelai video sai copy kori pelai thua ase nije nije buji paba. So our electric potential due to point charge is equal to what? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is the electric potential. Okay, so next one, so next topic is what? Next one, electric potential due to a next topic, electric potential due to a dipole, due to a dipole, electric potential due to a dipole. Eta dipole eta electric potential ki hobo? We know that what is dipole? Two equal and opposite charges is separated by very small distance is called dipole. Okay, so now we are dipole draw karu. Eto dipole. Suppose this is dipole, this is minus q and this is plus q charge. They are separated by a small distance. What? Twice is the small distance. Okay, so now electric potential due to a dipole. Suppose at a particular point that I consider called p point. A p point to amak ki lage? Electric potential to lage. কেনেকৈ ওলাম? ফাৰ্ষ্টতে ইয়াত আমি O পইণ্ট বুলি কনচিডাৰ কৰিলোঁ, দুটা যদি সেম মানে ভাগ কৰি লওঁ এটা O পইণ্ট, ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো কিমান হ'ব? A, ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো হ'ব A. চ' এতিয়া Oৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো আমি কনচিডাৰ কৰিলোঁ ছাপ'জ X. Oৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো ছাপ'জ কনচিডাৰ কৰিলোঁ X বা R. ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি R বুলিয়ে দিওঁ। চ' ইয়াৰ পৰা ডিষ্টেঞ্চ ছাপ'জ R বুলি কনচিডাৰ কৰিলোঁ। চ' নাও our formula will আমি এটা ফৰ্মুলাটো অলৰেডি পালো যে v is equal to what? Electric potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So now suppose here a point and this is called b point and this is p point. Okay, so now electric potential, there are two types of electric potential. A positive charge or kind electric potential eta beleg hobo আর এটা নেগেটিভ চার্জের কারণে ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল বেলেগ হ'ব। সো নাও ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল, ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল ডিউ টু দ্য চার্জ প্লাস কিউ কারণে ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল উই ক্যান কল এজ V1। আমি লিখি দিওঁ ডাইরেক্ট 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. q by r means from here to here distance, a distance to r. So distance to কিমান হ'ব? This is r, this is কিমান হ'ব? R minus a. Yes, R minus a. Another next one, electric potential due to charge minus q কাৰণে কিমান হ'ব? V2 is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by what? ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো কিমান হ'ব? এইটো চাৰ্জৰ কাৰণে ইয়াৰ মানে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক পটেনশিয়েল যেটা মাইনাস কিউ চাৰ্জৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত পটেনশিয়েল কিমান হ'ব? এই ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব লাগিব। দিস ইজ r a, সো কি হ'ব? r plus a. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, so now total potential কেনেকৈ ওলাম? দুটা চাৰ্জৰ কাৰণে দুটা পটেনশিয়েল হ'লে, দুটা চাৰ্জৰ কাৰণে দুটা পটেনশিয়েল, তো টোটাল চাৰ্জ কৰিবলৈ কি কৰিব লাগিব? এড কৰিব লাগিব। So now total electric potential what? V equal to what? V1 plus V2 plus কৰি দিয়া। আমি প্লাস কৰিলে কি পাম এতিয়া? V1 is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q by r plus a. So after that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a minus plus minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a. তাৰপিছত এইটো সাইডে মই এখিনি কমপ্লিট কৰো। সো টোটাল পটেনশিয়াল এতিয়া কি হ'ব? কমন কি ল'ব পাৰিম? q by 4 pi epsilon naught কমন। সো কি হ'ব? দিস ইজ 1 by r minus a minus 1 by r plus a is the thing. After that, next is what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to what? R plus A into R minus A LCM কি মানব? R plus A into R minus A হবো A plus B into A minus B. Formula A plus B into A minus B formula A square minus B square. So here R square minus A square. So LCM লোৱাৰ পাছত this is R plus A minus R minus A. So after that Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square. So R plus A minus R minus A plus A. So this is R cancel. R minus R plus R cancel. A plus A twice A. So Q by 4 pi epsilon naught twice A by R square minus A square. So this is V. So we know that. So V is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into twice A divided by R square minus A square. Etu palu. But ami janu Q into twice A means what? We know that dipole moment or strength. This is called dipole moment. Dipole or strength. Dipole moment is equal to what? Q into twice A. We know that. This formula. So now place this value here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square minus A square. So this is the what? Electric potential due to a dipole. So first আমি কি কইলো এটো dipole হয় dipole to distance twice থাকে আমি এটা particular point P point consider কইলো এই P point ত আমাৰ electric potential find out কৰিব লাগে so first dipole to যে distance twice হয় আমি যদি medium এটা origin O point ত middle point O বুলি লওঁ এটো A হ'ব আৰু O ৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ distance R বুলি consider কৰিলো now due to this positive charge from ইয়াৰ due to this positive charge potential difference for here to here what? This is V1 and here to here this is V2. So now electric potential is plus Q. A plus Q can I V1 will consider. We know the formula is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So Q by R means 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. R means what? Here distance okay what? R minus A. Okay. Then 1 by again V2 can next minus Q charge to can same. This is here distance to kiman R plus A. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A. So total potential plus korisu plus korar pasot ami ki palu V is equal to last goi calculation ot etu palu. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square minus I square. This is all about electric potential due to a point charge. Egita bostu aji pathalu electric potential due to a point charge. Prothomate palu what is electric potential difference, then after the electric potential difference ki hoy eta conception ma already disu what is electric potential tar conception dilu tar pasot ase electric potential due to a point charge aru dipole eta jodi eta particular point electric potential lo lage tar ami lelu. Thank you.